without college degrees. In fact, in technology, a lot of companies hire without college degrees. Hello, vanakkam, welcome back. Today we are talking about part 5 of the big splash, which is about employers getting a lot of resumes and candidates have all the tools to rapid apply for positions. So employers are getting inundated. Employers have a lot of resumes today. When every position which is posted, they receive over 900 to 1,000 resumes. So what has happened with one of the large employers? Last time when I spoke about Delta in the previous video, you can check as well. The number of employees what they hired without college degrees was about 94%. In fact, one of the mechanics had become a pilot as well. But this is more interesting news. Adala vandu orthar vandu comment pottundare, hey, this is not authentic or something like that. In the sense he was saying this does not happen in India. There are two things which I want to talk about in this particular video. Right? Why is it that we should talk about this? Employers vandu college degrees ellama hire பண்றாங்க. Why are they hiring? Right? Because it is not necessary that it is not mandatory that you need to have a college degree to do a particular job. Because the experience what you have gained or the skills what you possess, the talent potential what you have can be transferable, can be used in companies, and that's the reason why companies hire without college degrees. In fact, in technology, a lot of companies hire without college degrees. But I want to cite one pudu example, and this is in continuation to the IT industry by itself, what is happening with the amount of talent availability and scarcity of jobs avlo illa, adnala there are a lot of candidates available. Cisco, last week, this was in the Wall Street Journal, they hired about 100 people, and this was a pilot what they ran. 100 people with no degrees. Cisco did that. All right. Why did they do that? They did that because they felt that we will be able to, instead of posting a particular position and getting a lot of resumes, why don't we go ahead and look at a pool of people who don't have degrees? And will they fit into this? Because a lot of people who are applying are with degrees. So they went ahead the opposite route and they hired candidates who did not have degrees. And most importantly, what they talk about is the transferable skills. Transferable skills na ungaloda neenga ungata degree illama irukkalam, but the experience what you have gained through working for other companies, or ungaloda volunteering experience, ungaloda internship experience, or you can talk about your freelance jobs, whatever you've done, all that experience counts. That experience, can it be translated into a particular job within the organization? So transferable skills is the key word here. Any experience what you gain, whether you're a school student, neenga vandu 10th படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கலாம், make sure that during your summer go do a job. Your 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, college, in the year இருந்தாலும். In fact, last week I met one gentleman at a networking event, and அவரோட பையன் வந்து second year இங்க college படிச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு. அவர் சொன்னாரு எப்ப வந்து he should do an internship. I said he should do internship like right from the time when he was in high school or school days, middle school, doesn't matter. So if you're in college, you should do internships all the 4 years while the college is in session, not just during summer, right? While the college is in session, try to carve out the time to do internships, even 10 hours of volunteering work, 10 hours of internship work, whatever it is. All that is what is the transferable skills, because there will be a time when degrees will not be applicable, and your experience, what you have gained through all these various slivers, neenga enna vela pannirkingalo irukla, that is what will really matter. Now, coming to this particular point, why do we have to talk about this? Okay, Delta Airlines hired people with no degrees. Cisco hired with no degrees. Because in one of the comments வந்து யார் ஒருத்தர் எழுதியிருந்தாரு, இது மாதிரி இந்தியாவில் வந்து அந்த ட்ரெண்ட் இல்லை. We are talking this so that we can bring this trend to India. We can talk about the importance of hiring people just based on their skill, the talent, the potential, and their transferable skills, so that employers can create more opportunities, and degree is just not the only thing which you think about, or degree is one of the things that we say it is mandatory when we are hiring talent, because we don't do that, and there are a lot of other Fortune 1000 corporations who don't do that. So there is opportunity. So we should talk more about it. And if you are an individual, if you don't have a degree and you've got a job, I want you to contribute to here. I want you to contribute with your comments and thoughts, stating that how you found this opportunity and how you got through the interview process. Edanalana, it could help our audience who are non-degree holders, who don't have a degree and who are seeking out for opportunities. So for the time what you have invested, I am forever grateful. Please go ahead and share your thoughts and comments. And if you like this content, please go ahead and share it with your friends and family as well. All right. This is absolutely relevant content for school students, college students, professors, teachers, anybody for that matter. All right. Thank you.